Good afternoon. My name is Stanley Wahiran, and I am currently a senior at the University of South Florida. And this is my Tableau assignment for my financial modeling and analytics class, Fin 3353. And for this assignment, I was essentially given this data set with a ticker, name, investment value, fund type, size, category, style, category, risk rate, return rate, and a bunch of different values. And I was essentially given the task of creating an interactive dashboard with multiple different visualizations through which you would be able to notice different trends throughout the course of the data set and so on and so forth. The first visualization that I made is a bar graph. It contains a color filter to show the foreign ones as well as the domestic companies as well. The foreign companies being the purple ones, the domestic companies being the blue ones, and you have the names of the companies in the columns while it is also displaying the sum of the 52-week high and the sum of the 52-week low, and it shows them side by side, which would be able to demonstrate the difference in value between them. The next one is investment value of domestic funds, and it just essentially shows which companies have the most initial investment value based on the size of the box, and it also shows the value in the box as well. The next one demonstrates the risk rank as well as the return rank, and it also demonstrates which companies are foreign as well as domestic as well, and the names of the companies are listed down below. This is also the first part of my interactive dashboard, and it is the price ticker, which also contains the current price as well. And once you click on this, it also interacts with the dashboard as well. It changes the data here, and this is the sum of return for the 4 years that were given in the data set. And yeah, this is also the other part of the dashboard. As you can see, if you click through it, it's interactive and it will change. And so the thing that I really wanted to focus on throughout the course of this assignment was the fact that I noticed in the data set a trend of the domestic companies having more extreme values than the foreign companies, and I followed this trend throughout the course of the assignment and demonstrated it.